Hi, my name is Altaf. Today I want to talk a subject about Eagle Manager in Forever Living, how to qualify for Eagle Manager. I am in Forever Living. This is a very good incentive, Eagle Manager. I would like to talk uh, basic understanding about how do we achieve Eagle Manager in Forever Living. It is a very good incentive. It is a great incentive in Forever Living. It brings the best out of FBO uh, member in Forever Living. It also proves whoever qualifies for Eagle Manager that they have a commitment, focus, and consistent, and they earn more money also. So I want to explain how to qualify for Eagle Manager in a very in example, in a simple way. How do we achieve Eagle Manager? Eagle Manager's status is earned and rewarded each year. Each year you have to earn for it. So a manager, once you become a manager, you may qualify. You may qualify for Eagle Manager, meeting the following requirements. And the period starts from May 1st till April end. So it's from May till April. So there are basic after qualifying as a recognized manager, then these things are very important that we need to follow. First is you need to be active with 4 case credit. That is a must. Then you need to have then you need to qualify. Second, leadership qualified. You can check on your bonus report, that it says whether you need next month the 12 case credit or 8 or 4. You need to qualify each and every month with leadership bonus qualified. The third thing is you need to personally sponsor and develop 2 supervisors during this period from May to April, and generate 120 total case credit, including 100 new case credit. So I would like to explain this in a simple way. First of all, I would like to give an example. Let's assume that I am in Dallas and I'm going to Phoenix. It is let's assume that if I am driving in a car from Dallas to Phoenix, it is 720 miles, which is, to qualify for Eagle Manager we need 720 case credit. So from Dallas to Phoenix, or let's assume that you are in Chicago, then you assume that from Chicago to Phoenix it requires 720 miles. If you are in New York, let's just, for an example I'm telling you, it's not 720 miles, but I change 720 case credit to 720 miles. So what you do is, you need to the miles are 720 miles throughout it, but you can travel from May 1st till April 30th, which is end of April. You can travel anytime in between this, and you need to travel how many miles? 720 miles, which is 720 case credit. In that, you need to active with 4 case credit every month, regardless of what. So let's assume that 4 case credit is your car. Let's maybe, just if it's your dream to drive Ferrari, Lamborghini, or Bentley, or Rolls Royce, or so let's assume that that is your car. That car is nothing but a 4 active case credit every month. You have to meet 4 case credit every month. That is your car. Now next is your fuel. You need fuel to go. So that fuel is, you need to qualify for leadership bonus every month, and you can check that leadership bonus, how do you qualify, how many personal and non-manager case credit you need. You can go on bonus report and you can check over there whether you need 12 next month, you need 8 or 4. You can check every month based on that. But regardless of what, you need to have a fuel in car to travel. So that means you need to qualify for leadership bonus every month. You need to have a car, that is your 4 case credit. You need to have a gas, which is leadership bonus qualified. And now the third thing is you need to develop 2 new supervisors. So you're traveling to Phoenix, you have a car, now you have a gas. Now third thing is you need to have develop 2 new supervisors during this period. So what you do is you need to have 2 passengers in your car. So it could be your friends, family member. So then you are on your journey to to reach your destination for 720 miles, which is 720 case credit. The last thing is during this process, from May to April, you need, if you can get 620 home country case credit from home country, and 100 case credit from any country in the world. It could be India, it could be Japan, it could be UK, anywhere. Let's assume that if you did only 600 case credit from your home country and 120 case credit from other country, then your qualification not met, because only 100 new case credit counts from a different country. So basically that's an example. So you need to have 4 case credit, you need to leadership qualified, you need to personally develop 2 new supervisors, and you need to have 720 case credit, which 100 case credit can be from anywhere in the world. So the benefits of getting, if you qualify upon completion of all the requirements, once you achieve, not only you receive the status of Eagle Manager, the FBO will be awarded a trip and airfare. There are some benefits of it. Then you qualify for a trip with airfare of 2, an invitation exclusively for Eagle Manager trainings, access to all events relating to Eagle Manager. So I mean, there are so many people who are looking opportunity in network marketing, in forever living. So this is a basic way to understand one incentive of how to qualify for Eagle Manager. And I would like to know, if you are successful if you accomplish what my personal experience is, if you accomplish Eagle Manager in this marketing plan, you are 100%, or what I have seen is people are at least able to make good money, earn more money, or double their income. Second, they are almost very close to getting chairman bonus, earn incentives, car plan, which you can earn $200, $400 or $800 a month. That is very good, and you can qualify. Next step is very easy to qualify for GEM bonus also. There are level 1, 2 and 3. That is different videos I'm coming up with how to qualify for GEM bonus and chairman bonus. So that is it is a very good accomplishment if someone who are new and who wants to target to reach for Eagle Manager. It brings the best out of a person if once they reach Eagle Manager. You will, not only you will reach Eagle Manager in this marketing plan forever living, you will touch so many lives. There are so many people struggling. There are so many people are struggling in this world today. You can encourage their dreams and give them hope for them also to join forever living and achieve for themselves and their family, make things happen. That's all. Thank you for watching my video. I hope I wish you all the best in your forever living journey. They says the journey has to be more beautiful than destination. So I hope we all enjoy our journey in forever living to reach not only Eagle Manager, chairman bonus, GEM bonus, car incentives, so many benefits. And I would like to share my website, www. If someone wants to join my team, If they join my downline, not only I will help you, support you, guide you, and teach you about marketing plan. I will be with you as you know as any way as I can to help you, whatever the best knowledge I have. So my website is, if someone wants to go directly to the website and join my business, is www.freeforeverliving.flp.com, which is www.freeforeverliving.flp.com. My ID is, if you go on foreverliving.com, and if you click on right side on top right side join, then you can enter my ID number is 0010025198857, and the cost is to join Forever Living products is zero, doesn't cost you anything. This is one of the best opportunity in, at least my knowledge, which doesn't cost you any money, whereas compared to opening a business, any franchise or any business. And you can go on foreverliving.com also. My phone number, which is I exclusive have this number for my Forever Living business, which is 469-867-1620. I'll show my card in the video also. So if you have any questions, please feel free to add me on Facebook. My Facebook ID name Altaf Bedaw, and I have a Facebook page which is called Network Marketing. Thank you. I hope you like my presentation. Thank you so much. Here's my ID, my business card with info, and this is the back side. Thank you.